Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will be helping you to solve the problem unable to send emails from WordPress. Let's begin. One of the possible reasons why WordPress is not sending your emails is because your hosting server is not configured to use PHP mail function, and if it's configured, there's a big risk of your emails going directly to the spam folder. In order to send your emails in a secure way, you will need to configure the SMTP credentials of your hosting server in your WordPress admin area, and to do so, you will need to install the WP Mail SMTP plugin for WordPress. Let's see this process step by step. First of all, log in your SiteGround account, click in Websites and then click in Site Tools. Then click in the Account menu under the Email tab. In this form, you will have to create an email address to use it in WordPress. Set a name and a password, and don't forget to save these values because you will need them in the next steps. Now go to your WordPress admin area and click in the Add New plugin. Search for the plugin WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms, and when you find it, install and activate it. Now it's time to configure the plugin. Go to the WP Mail SMTP settings and set the From Email field with the email address you created in the previous step. In the Mailer zone, select Other SMTP option, and new fields will appear at the bottom of the page. In the SMTP host, set the outgoing host shown in your SiteGround account. In the encryption zone, select the TLS option. You can also grab this value from your SMTP details. And last, for the username and password, enter the username and password you created in your SiteGround account. And click in Save Settings. And now we can check if everything is okay going to Email Test. Set an email address and click Send Email. If everything is okay, you will receive an email with a dummy content like the one you are seeing right now. That's all. I hope this solution helps you to solve the problem. Thank you and good luck.